Welcome. Today we take next few problems on the question paper CBSE for class 12 2019. Today is the 8th part and first problem for today is 26 or. The question is find the area of the region lying above x-axis and included between the circle x square plus y square plus is equal to 8x and y square parabola y square is equal to 4x. So the problem is very simple. We have to find by integration the area included between this curve and that curve. It is a circle and it is a parabola. First of all, we have to draw it. This circle actually it is x square minus 8x plus y square is equal to 0. That is x minus 4 whole square plus y square. I have taken here x square minus 8x plus 16 and that to be right here. In fact, it is 4 square. So it is a circle. Its center lies on 4, 0 and radius is 4. And this is simply standard parabola y square is equal to 4x whose vertex as origin. So consider the figure. Suppose this represents the circle x minus 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 16. So this point is 0, 4, 4, 0. This point. Radius is 4 and parabola is this is the parabola y square is equal to 4x. So we have to find the area bounded by circle and that. So the shaded part is the required region. Suppose this is origin O, that point is A, B, perpendicular is drawn from point of intersection to x-axis. Suppose this is C and one point on parabola is D, say, that point. So a required region is O, A, B, D, O. O, A, B, D, O. Actually, there is no x-axis or y-axis as boundary line in the region. In order to get its area by integration, we must have either x-axis or y-axis as a boundary line. For that purpose, I can write is as O, A, B, C, O. O, A, B, C, O. I have taken this region and here one boundary line is x-axis, along x-axis. But this part, O, D, B, C, O, I have taken extra in order uh, to neutralize it, subtract O, D, B, C, O. In both the regions, this and that, OC, that is x-axis, along x-axis is the boundary line. So very easily we can find the area by integration. And this part, OABCO, it is upper line is OAB, it is along the circle. So integration is y dx. Y have to obtain from equation of the circle, equation of OAB, that is the circle. And you see, the we have to, first of all, we have to find the limit of integration, limit of x. And because region is OABCO, so it, I mean, range of x coordinate from 0 to C. O, O to C. O is origin, so its x coordinate is 0, and C is that point. Its x coordinate, by solving this and that, it is equal to, you see, x square plus y square means 4x is equal to 8x. That is, x square is equal to 4x. That is, x into x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to either 0 or 4. X is equal to 0 is that point. X is equal to 4 is the point C, that is the center. So x, range of x of that region lies from 0 to C means 4. So 0 to 4 y dx minus, for ODBCO, y must come from this curve. Y square is equal to 4x. Again y dx, and it is from 0 to 4. Now it is equal to 0 to 4 y. Y dx from here, there or here, same thing. It is equal to y is root over of 16 minus x minus 4 whole square. Y, this is y dx minus 0 to 4 y dx. Y comes from there, that is root over of 4x dx. Now simply we have to integrate these two, put limit and get result. For this, it is actually equal to 0 to 4 root over of x square minus x minus 4 whole square dx minus, this 4 can be taken outside and it is 2, 0 to 4 root over of x dx. Now this integration is of the type root over of integration of root over s square minus x square dx, and its result is x into root over of x square minus s square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. In just 1 minute. Okay. This is a square, this is x square, so that the integration is x means here into root over of x square minus s square, that is x minus 4 whole square minus 4 square by 2, limit between 0 to 4, minus 2 into x to the power 3 by 2, x to the power half, its integration is x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limit is between 0 to 4. Now putting upper limit, this becomes 0, so whole thing is 0. Putting lower limit, x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, it is minus 4, but this is 0 minus 4 whole square, minus 4 square, so it is 0, simply 0. Oh, sorry, this part is not given here. Oh, this is about that, and this one is there. So, very sorry. So, it is equal to plus a square by 2 means 16 by 2 sine inverse x by a, 0 to 4 again, minus 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limit from 0 to 4. So this part is 0, that part is 0, plus. When I put x is equal to 0, this becomes sine inverse 0. Sine inverse 0 is 0. And 0. Then minus 16 by 2, that is 8, sine inverse minus 1, minus, they together is 4 by 3 into, it is 4 to the power 3 by 2, that is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. And when I put x is equal to 0, the lower limit, this becomes 0. So it is equal to 8 sine inverse minus 1 is minus, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So this negative and that negative, minus, it is 4 pi minus 32 by 3, and that square unit. It is answer. And you see, this one, it is equal to actually the from figure, it is area of the circle, given circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x in the first quadrant only. In the first quadrant, and it is semicircle of that, whose area is actually this. So anyway, our answer is that. Next problem. So next problem is problem number 27. The problem is find the vector and Cartesian equation of the plane passing through the point 2, 2, -1, 3, 4, 2 and 7, 0, 6. Also find the vector equation of the plane passing through 4, 3, 1 and parallel to the plane obtained above. Achha, it has two parts. First part is to obtain Cartesian and vector equation of a plane which passes through this point, and that point. And second part is find also the vector equation of a plane which is parallel to the plane just now obtained passing through these three and which passes through that point. Achha, we know that uh, for the point xi, yi, zi, this point I is equal to 1, 2, 3. These 3 points, if a plane passes through these 3 points, its Cartesian equation is in the determinant form x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Oh, sorry, not that. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, x3 minus x1, y minus y1, y2 minus y1, z y3 minus y1, and xyz minus z1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. So using this result, and where x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3, these are the 3 points. And putting all these values here, very easily we can obtain the equation of plane, Cartesian equation. It is say x minus, this is x1, x2 means 3 minus 2, x3 is 7, 7 minus 2. For this column, y minus y1 is 2, then y2 is 4 minus 2, and it is 0 minus y1, y3 is 0 minus 2. Next, z minus z1, z minus 1, then 2 minus, then 6 is equal to 0. That is x minus 2, y minus 2, z plus 1, This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 5 minus 2, 7. This is equal to 0. Just 1 minute. So now by any method we have to find the value of the determinant. Simply by expanding along first row, let us obtain the value of the determinant. It is x minus 2 into that determinant, 2, 3 minus 2, 7 minus y minus 2 into, eliminate this and that, 1, 3, 5, 7 plus z plus 1 into the determinant 1, 2, eliminating this and that, 1, 2, 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. So that it is equal to x minus 2 into 14 plus 6 minus y minus 2 into 7 minus 15 plus z plus 1 into minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 0. That is 20 into x minus 2. It is minus 8 plus 8 y minus 2 minus 12 into z plus 1 is equal to 0. That is 20x plus 8y minus 12z is equal to, constant is 40 plus 16, 56 plus 12, 68. So this is Cartesian equation of the, this is negative mind that, Cartesian equation of the required plane passing through this, this and that. Now next we have to find its vector equation. This can be written very easily like xi plus yj plus zk. I write the position vector r dot 20i plus 8j minus 12k is equal to 68. This is position vector. This is position vector. So r dot 20i plus 8j minus 12k is equal to 68. It is the vector equation of the plane passing through these 3 points. So 2 parts completed. Next we have to find the, this is our position vector, so vector side. Next to find the vector equation of a plane parallel to that and passing through this. It is vector equation. I see, just 1 minute I see. And vector equation. We have to find vector equation of the plane, this plane, and parallel to that and passing through that point. For that purpose, we know that vector equation of a plane parallel to this plane is r dot same vector 20I plus 8j minus 12k is equal to d. D is an unknown constant. To find it, we have to find it. As because it passes through 4, 3, 1 point. So this must satisfy this equation. And it is xi, it is simply xi plus yj plus zk, where x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 1. So that it is equal to, let it be say 1. Putting 4I plus 3j plus k dot 20I plus 8j minus 12k is equal to d. That is, taking the dot product, we have 20 into 4, 80 plus 24 minus 12 is equal to d. That is, d is equal to 92. Now finally, putting the value of d over here, we get the required equation of the plane. So that our required equation is, this is equal to r dot 20I plus 8j minus 12k is equal to, this d means 92. That is our final answer. So okay, let us stop today. I request you, if you find that it helps you, please like it, share it, and subscribe it if not yet subscribed. Thank you.